What's up, Queen Divas? So I'm going to show you how to make fancy, cute little bows to make all of your treats pop out, especially your candy apples. And all you need is the ribbon itself. And this is, I believe, 1.5. Yeah, this is 1.5 inches. So you need your ribbon. I'm going to use yellow because I'm doing some things with sunflowers today. So these ribbons really do make your treats pop out. You can have them with no tail. This is with no tail. These are with no tail. And these are with the tail. So I'm going to show you how to do them with the tail and without the tail. So you need your ribbon, a lighter, and scissors. That's it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so what you're going to do is cut about 12 to 14 inches of ribbon. You're going to hold the ribbon in between the thumb and the middle finger. You just need these two fingers and your thumb. So you hold your thumb and your middle finger together. I have a little ribbon hanging down because I'm going to make a tail. Go around in between the two fingers, come back up, around, stick the leftover ribbon in between that V, in between your index finger and your middle finger, and you're gonna pull that through. And you straighten this out because now you're getting ready to make that middle part of your ribbon. Pull that through, bring it over, and then you just tuck underneath. Watch what I'm doing. And you pull up to tighten and pull down to secure. And there you have your ribbon. So this will be with a tail. So make sure everything is even. And you can cut your ribbons however you want. You take your cigarette lighter or you fluff, go ahead and fluff this part. I'm gonna cut my tails. I'm gonna slant a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to use my lighter and burn the ends so my ribbon doesn't ravel. And there you have a cute little bow to stick. Let's push this over. You have a cute little bow to stick on your candy apple stick. Like, okay, I have a bling stick, and this makes your treats or your candy apples pop. So since I'm doing sunflowers today, sunflower candy apples, I'm going to use this bow on the candy apple. And you just take your hot glue gun and you put the glue on the back of the ribbon and you press down on the candy apple stick or your treat stick. And that's it. So that's with the tail. Now I am going to do a ribbon. These are the tails. And now I am going to do a bow for you with the ribbon without the tail. So you have your ribbon about 12 inches. You're gonna hold the ribbon in between your middle finger and your thumb. Go around 2 fingers, go back up, come down and around and push through. Push through that little V. You're gonna make your bow, and then you're gonna tuck. You're gonna make your bow by, when you push through that little V, you come back around. Because this is what makes your fancy little bow. And then tuck. Pull up, pull down to secure, and there you have it. So I don't want the tails, so you're gonna cut. You're gonna cut your tail. You're gonna fluff. And there you have it. Now guys, don't forget to burn your ends. And there you have it. A cute little bow. I'm gonna do it one more time for the ones who are having a hard time getting it. So I'm gonna do 12 inches. And no, I'm not getting a ruler to measure. This is just eyeballing. I'm gonna take my ribbon, hold in between my thumb and middle finger, and go around my 2 fingers here. Go around, go up in between and around, come back down and push through the V section. You're gonna pull that out and you're gonna make your fancy little bow by bringing the ribbon around, and then you tuck. You're gonna tuck this right here, tuck that ribbon, pull up and pull down, and there you have your fancy ribbon. And if you want this with the tail, you just cut. Without the tail, you cut the whole tail off. So I'm gonna do with the tail on this one. I'm gonna cut up. And then we're gonna cut down, and then I am going to burn my ends so it doesn't ravel. I'm going to fluff, and I have my cute little ribbon right here. This is my cute little ribbon. So you have your ribbon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to tell your friends and family about my channel. Bye-bye.